Did you know that the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is home to 10% of the world's known species? This isn't just a patch of green on your globe, it's an incredibly diverse and vital ecosystem brimming with life in every nook and cranny. Picture for a moment a world within our world so vast and sprawling that it spans across 9 different countries. Yes, you heard that right, not 1, not 2, but 9 countries. This is the Amazon, the world's largest rainforest, a grand masterpiece of nature that leaves us in awe of its sheer scale and complexity. But the Amazon is more than just its size, it's the humming heart of our planet, a crucial cog in the machine that is Earth's climate. It's called the lungs of the Earth for a good reason. This colossal green expanse breathes life into our world by producing a whopping 20% of the world's oxygen. Imagine that. Nearly 1/5 of the air we breathe, the very essence of life, originates from this single forest. Every leaf, every tree, every inch of the Amazon plays a part in this grand symphony of life, tirelessly working to keep our planet healthy and habitable. It's not just about the air we breathe, though. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity. From the tiniest insects to the mightiest predators, from vibrant birds to elusive mammals, life thrives here in all its forms. Each creature, each plant, each microbe plays a unique role in this intricate web of life, contributing to the delicate balance that allows this ecosystem to flourish. So let's embark on this journey into the heart of the Amazon, as we uncover the stories of this remarkable rainforest, a place where life abounds in its most spectacular forms. The Amazon is more than just a forest, it's a world teeming with life, a treasure trove of biodiversity. Step into the heart of the Amazon and you'll find yourself surrounded by an array of life forms that you won't find anywhere else on Earth. The Amazon rainforest is a bustling metropolis of biodiversity. Here, over 400 billion individual trees stand tall, creating a canopy that plays host to a staggering 40,000 plant species. This lush green city of nature is a testament to the sheer power and beauty of life in its most raw and untamed form. But the Amazon is more than just a forest, it's a living, breathing world teeming with life. From the river's murky depths to the towering treetops, the Amazon is home to an incredible array of creatures. There are over 2,200 species of fish, each one a marvel of evolution, adapted perfectly to life in these waters. Among them, the pirarucu, one of the largest freshwater fish on the planet, reigns supreme. And let's not forget the reptiles. More than 370 types call this place home, including the fearsome black caiman, a relative of the alligator, and the enigmatic anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes. On land, the Amazon's inhabitants are no less fascinating. The elusive jaguar, a symbol of power and stealth, roams the forest floor. The Amazon River dolphin, with its distinctive pink hue, navigates the waterways with ease, and the giant anteater, with its long snout and even longer tongue, is a sight to behold as it forages for ants and termites. Each of these creatures, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, contributes to the intricate web of life that is the Amazon. Their survival and prosperity are intrinsically tied to the health and vitality of their forest home. But it's not just about the animals and plants. The Amazon is also home to over 1 million indigenous people who have lived in harmony with this environment for thousands of years, their lives intertwined with the rhythms and cycles of the forest. Each creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Amazon's ecosystem. The Amazon holds many secrets, some of which scientists are still uncovering today. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the planet's lungs, is an enigma, a labyrinth of life that never ceases to astound and amaze. With its vast expanse, it is an unending treasure chest of scientific discoveries. Every other day, new species are discovered within its depths. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the Amazon is a kaleidoscope of biodiversity. It's a realm where the everyday norms of biology are challenged and redefined. Unusual creatures like the glass frog with its transparent abdominal skin or the capybara, the world's largest rodent, call this place home, and these are just the species we know about. Imagine the multitude of creatures still lurking undiscovered, hidden in the dense undergrowth or high in the canopy. Research in the Amazon isn't just about cataloging new species, it's about understanding the intricate web of life, how each organism interacts with its environment and with one another. This knowledge is invaluable in helping us comprehend the larger picture of our planet's ecosystems. But the Amazon is not just a cradle of life, it's a vast pharmacy. Many of the plants found here have medicinal properties used by native tribes for centuries. Some of these plants have given us modern medicines like quinine, an essential treatment for malaria. Yet, it's estimated that less than 5% of Amazonian plants have been studied for their medicinal potential. Who knows what life-saving drugs might be hidden within the leaves and roots of the Amazon's flora? The Amazon rainforest is a living, breathing mystery. It's a place where every stone unturned reveals a new secret, a new piece of the puzzle that is our natural world. And as we continue to explore, we realize how much remains to be discovered. With every new species, every medicinal plant, we learn a bit more about this remarkable place. The Amazon continues to reveal its secrets, showing us just how much we still have to learn about our natural world. Despite its vastness and importance, the Amazon is under serious threat. A chilling reality, isn't it? This magnificent cradle of life, which houses a world within our world, is facing challenges that could potentially tip the balance of our planet's health. One of the most pressing of these threats is deforestation. Vast tracts of this ancient forest are being cleared at an alarming rate to make way for agriculture, mining, and urban development. It's like tearing pages from the world's most comprehensive biology book. Each tree felled is a lost story, a lost habitat, a lost piece of a complex, intricate puzzle that we're just beginning to understand. Then there's climate change. The Amazon, often referred to as the lungs of the Earth, plays a crucial role in regulating global climate. It absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide and releases oxygen in return. But as deforestation continues, the Amazon's capacity to perform this vital function decreases. And as climate change intensifies, droughts and wildfires become more frequent and severe, further threatening this already fragile ecosystem. We must also consider the illegal wildlife trade. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to countless species found nowhere else on Earth. However, this also makes it a prime target for traffickers. Exotic birds, reptiles, and mammals are captured and sold on the black market. A cruel trade that not only threatens individual species but also disrupts entire ecosystems. These threats are not just about the Amazon and its inhabitants. They're about all of us. The Amazon is a critical part of the Earth's climate system. Its destruction could lead to drastic changes in global weather patterns, affect crop yields, and escalate global warming. We're not just talking about losing a forest here, we're talking about the potential collapse of the world's climate system. The fate of the Amazon affects us all. It's not just a forest, it's the health and future of our planet. A reminder that we're all in this together, and we all have a role to play in ensuring the Amazon's survival. The Amazon's future may seem uncertain, but there's still hope. As we shift our focus to the efforts being made to protect this unique ecosystem, we find that there are countless individuals, organizations, and communities working tirelessly to ensure the Amazon's survival. Prominent conservation organizations like the Amazon Environmental Research Institute and the Rainforest Foundation are spearheading these efforts. Their work ranges from scientific research and policy advocacy to direct action like reforestation and protection of indigenous lands. They're fighting not just to preserve the Amazon, but to restore and rejuvenate it. But it's not just these large organizations that are making a difference. Local communities who've called the Amazon home for centuries are at the forefront of these conservation efforts. They're utilizing their traditional knowledge and practices to manage and protect the forest sustainably, proving that human existence and ecological preservation can coexist harmoniously. The role of sustainable practices goes beyond local communities, though. It extends to every individual who interacts with the Amazon, from the tourists who visit to the corporations that do business there. Responsible tourism, which minimizes environmental impact and supports local communities, is a growing trend in the Amazon. This form of tourism encourages visitors to respect the fragile ecosystem and contributes to the local economy, providing an alternative to destructive practices like deforestation and illegal mining. Similarly, corporations are being urged to adopt sustainable practices like sourcing materials responsibly and reducing their carbon footprint. Consumers worldwide are demanding such practices, and companies are beginning to respond. This shift towards sustainability in business could significantly reduce the pressure on the Amazon and its resources. These efforts, large and small, are vital to the Amazon's survival, but they're just the beginning. The Amazon's future depends on our collective will to protect and preserve it. It's a challenge, but also an opportunity. An opportunity to write a different story for the Amazon, one of revival and resilience. Together we can ensure that the Amazon continues to thrive, preserving its incredible biodiversity for generations to come.